Boxplot Analysis tab. Here we have opened a BXR file of a 3-second brain slice recording, where we have performed spike detection, burst detection, and LFP detection. We have selected 4 channels. Here we can see the spikes that have been detected, the red line representing a burst up here, and down here we see that low frequency field potentials, or LFPs, have been detected. Data that we have gathered from any analysis can also be visualized with the Boxplot Stats tool by clicking the Boxplot Stats tab. Like the previous analysis tabs that we have discussed, we can change the visualization settings by going to the Boxplot Stats settings and clicking Display, going from selected channels to visible groups. Now we can select to view any parameter in our visible groups. For example, by clicking the drop-down menu, we can go to mean ISI to show the interspike interval. Now we see the data for each of our groups. This Boxplot has been calculated based on the entire length of the recording. If we want to set specific intervals, we can go to the Time Intervals tab in the timeline and create our own custom interval. For instance, if we click and drag the outer limits, we can shorten our interval and our box plots will change accordingly. We can also add other time intervals by going to Add Track and clicking and dragging to adjust our interval duration. Now we see that both of the time intervals have been represented in the box plot. We can also name our tracks and clicking the arrow, and we see that the name has been updated. Furthermore, we can also change the color of the track and thus how it is displayed in the box plot by going to Color. If we wish to delete a time track, simply selecting it and going to Remove Track will remove it from your list. In addition to viewing our data by time intervals, we can also click to arrange by groups. Here we see that the mean ISI has been organized by groups along our different time frames. We can visualize by any parameter by going to Parameter, and this time we will choose the mean max peak for our LFPs. As is the case with all of our analysis tabs, our data can also be exported by going to Chart and clicking to export the image that we see in our Analysis tab, as well as in the mean firing rate map, as well as saving the data to Workbook, which will export the data into an Excel file.